We work hard to give our customers the very best, so when they share how happy they are with us, we love sharing that news with the world. One of our customers loved our customer service so much that they left this review online. Happy customers that leave great feedback like this motivates us to want to keep them happy by providing the best service possible to each and every one of them, each and every time. It's that simple. Find out why our customers are so happy and value their experience with us so much, they keep coming back over and over again. We're happy to say we've earned our glowing reviews one customer at a time. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.